Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am a student on behalf of Sufiana Putra Madi Antecedent. Will explain 50 collocation, 50 idioms, 25 slang, 25 jargon, and 10 provide for the final semester exam. The first 50 collocation before the definition of collocation is two or more words in English that are often located side by side. There are various collocation seen from the combination of nouns, verb, adjective, adverb, and preposition that from them, some of which are noun plus noun, a cup of tea, a round of applause, a cup of coffee, a box of chocolate, noun plus verb, sunrise, housewash, running, departed bus, moving started, verb plus nouns, do the decide, communicate, social, give opinions, do existment, verb and adverb, speak loudly, screaming loudly, whisper softly, screamingly prohibit, verb plus preposition, dependent on, burst into tears, driven to madness, feel with joy, adjective plus noun, bad luck, experiencing pain, preliminary exam, regular schedule, adjective plus preposition, afraid of. Example, my little brother is afraid of cats. My young brother, Sean, is afraid of cats. Adverb plus adjective, incredibly smart, completely satisfying, fully aware, utterly stupid. You can also learn various collocation formed from one particular word. For example, ask permission, ask for advice, ask question, and so on. Take a break, take an exam, take time, make an appointment, make a noise, make money, do the homework, do your best, do your hair, and so on. Have a drink, have a good time, have a haircut, and so on. Keep in touch, keep quit, keep a secret, and so on. Time, leisure time, free time, spend time, and then the second 15 idioms and their meanings. 1. A hot potato talks about issues that are quietly being discussed. 2. A little bird told me. Someone tells a secret. 3. A penny for your talk. A subtle way of asking someone for their opinions. 4. A rip off, very expensive. 5. An arm and a leg, very expensive and require a lot of money. 6. An eager beaver, someone who is always willing to volunteer. 7. Backrooms boys, people who have important work but don't have contact with the public. 8. Ball is in your court. The decision is yours. 9. Barking up the wrong tree. 10. Be filled up with. 11. Be in hot water, being in trouble. 12. Be in the boat. 13. Be second to noise. 14. Beat around the bush. Avoid the topic, don't directly talk about an issue. 15. Beat one's brain out, trying hard to understand something. 19. Bend out of shape, worrying too much about something. 17. Bit of more than one can chew, take responsibility more than you can bear. 18. Blessing in disguise, God things that were not realized before. 19. But a bug in his ear, giving advice to someone. 20. Call it a day, it's time to solve. 21. Can make heads or tails of, can't understand something because it's confusing and illogical. 22. Cat one's age, cat someone's attention. 23. Coke between two stalls when someone finds it difficult to choose two alternatives. 24. Cross your finger as sick of good luck. 25. Cry over spent make crossing the path. 26. Crossy kill the cat exif. Crossy can get you stuck in implicit situation. 27. Cut it out, stop doing something. 28. Get wood, people or things that are no longer useful. 29. Don't count your chickens until they hatch. 30. Don't pull all your eggs in one basket. 31. Draw a blank, can't remember. 32. Drop someone a line, wait for someone. 33. Every code has a silver lining, be optimistic. In very difficult time there will be a better day. 34. Explore all avenues, try every possibility to get results. 35. Far cry from, very different from. 36. Feel a bit under the weather. 37. Feel blue, feeling sad and depressed. 38. Get ducks in a row, keep things organized. 39. Get the axe lost job. 40. Get the show on the road, put a plan to action. 41. Get your act together, be polite. 32. Give it a shot, tell someone to try it first. 33. Every cold has a silver lining, be optimistic. In every difficult time there will be a better day. 34. Explore all avenues, try every possibility to get results. 35. Far cry from, very different from. 36. Feel a bit under the weather. 37. Feel blue, feeling sad and depressed. 38. Get dunks in a row, keep things organized. 39. Get the axe lost job. 40. Get the show on the road, put a plan to action. 41. Get your act together, be polite. 42. Give it a shot, tell someone to try it first. 43. Give someone a hand, help someone. 44. Give someone the cold shoulder. 45. Give the benefit of the doubt. Believing someone statement without evidence. 46. Golden handshake. Severance pay or money given by the company to retired employees. 47. Grab a bit. Eat something. 48. Have mixed feeling, not sure what to feel. 49. Hit the nail on the head, doing or saying something very precisely. 50. Hit the sack or shit. Sleep. Continued in the third discussion about slang. 1. Lol atau laugh out loud artinya tertawa lepas. 2. Roughly atau rolling on the floor logging artinya tertawa lebih lepas. AFK atau away from keyboard artinya sedang online tapi tidak di tempat. BRB atau be right back artinya sedang online tapi tidak di tempat dan akan segera kembali. 5. ASAP artinya as soon as possibly artinya segera mungkin. Yang 6. TBH atau to be honest artinya sejujurnya. 7. IMHO artinya in my honest opinions artinya opini sejujurnya. 8. ISL atau X sex location artinya menanyakan umur, jenis kelamin, dan lokasi. 9. EAKYIM atau if you know what I mean artinya kamu tahu apa yang saya maksud. 10. TS atau thread starter artinya yang memulai topik pembicaraan. 11. YOLO atau you only live once artinya bertindak nekat. 12. Bye artinya pacar atau kesayangan. 13. Savage artinya memperlakukan sesuatu dengan kejam. 14. Triggered artinya terpicu atau menjadi marah. 15. Dope artinya bagus dan keren. 16. Jealous artinya jomblo atau tidak punya pacar dan sengsara. 17. Terciduk artinya tertangkap pihak berwenang. 18. Afgan artinya sadis. 19. Third artinya topik pembicaraan. 20. Jebakan Batman artinya tautan internet yang tidak sesuai harapan. 21. Junk artinya adalah konten sampah. 22. COD atau cash on delivery artinya bayar di tempat. 23. WTB atau want to buy artinya ingin beli sesuatu. 24. WTS atau want to sell artinya ingin jual sesuatu. 25. Right bear artinya rekening bersama. Then enter the jargon. 1. WTB want to buy ingin membeli. 2. WTS want to sell ingin menjual. 3. WTI want to inform ingin memberitahu. 4. WTA want to ask ingin bertanya. 5. TGIF thank God it's Friday terima kasih Tuhan hari ini adalah Jumat. 6. TBYB try before you buy cobalah sebelum membelinya. 7. TMA take my advice gunakan saranku. 8. Tinalo TINALO this is not a illegal opinion ini bukanlah pendapat yang sah. 9. Trainer this is not a recommendation ini bukanlah sebuah rekomendasi. 10. AFAIK as far as I know sejauh yang saya tahu. 11. SOL sorry one liner kalau pesan Anda pendek cantumkan ini maaf hanya satu baris. 12. FYA for your information atas informasimu. 13. HTH hope that help or hope this helps semoga ini dapat membantumu. 14. IAC in any case di banyak kesempatan. 15. EERC if I recall correctly jika saya mengingat dengan tepat. 16. EMO in my opinions menurut pendapatku. 17. IMHO in my humble opinions really in my honest opinions menurut pendapat sederhanaku jarang menurut pendapat jujurku. 18. IMNSHO in my not so humble opinions aku tidak setuju dengan pendapat sederhana itu. 19. EOW in other words dengan kata lain. 20. ISO in search of mencari-cari. 21. SSIA subject size it up pokok kata semua. 22. TBE to be expand menjadi harapan. 23. TBH to be honest menjadi jujur. 24. TWIMC to warm it may concern kepada yang berkepentingan. 25. TBYB try before you buy cobalah sebelum. 5. List proverb. 1. Cut your coat according to your cloth potong mantel Anda sesuai dengan pakaian Anda sesuaikan pengeluaran Anda dengan penghasilan Anda. 2. Many hands make light work banyak tangan membuat pekerjaan ringan sesuatu yang dikerjakan secara bersama-sama akan terasa lebih ringan. 3. Two heads are better than one. Dua kepala lebih baik daripada satu ketika dua orang saling bekerja sama mereka muncul dengan ide lebih baik. 4. There no time like the present. Tidak ada waktu seperti sekarang ketika Anda perlu melakukan sesuatu jangan menunggu nanti. 5. Action speak louder than word. Tindakan berbicara lebih keras daripada kata-kata hanya mengatakan bahwa Anda akan melakukan sesuatu tidak begitu berarti melakukannya lebih sulit dan lebih berarti. 6. Two wrong don't make a right. Dua kesalahan tidak membuat kebenaran. Ketika seseorang telah melakukan sesuatu yang tidak baik kepada Anda, mencoba membalas dendam hanya akan memperburuk keadaan. 7. Make hay while the sun shines. Buatlah tumpukan jerami ketika matahari bersinar. Kerjakan sesuatu ketika waktunya memungkinkan. 8. When in Rome, do as the Romans. Ketika di Roma, bertindaklah seperti orang-orang Roma. Bertindak seperti orang-orang di sekitar kita bertindak. 9. No man is an island. Tidak ada seseorang di sebuah pulau. Kita tidak dapat hidup sendiri. Setiap orang butuh bantuan dari orang lain. 10. Advice run no risk. Penasihat tidak menanggung resiko. Memberi nasihat itu mudah tapi sulit untuk melakukannya.